Concentration. Homo sapiens to modern age humans. Relevant is the same. If you are a student or even a businessman, you need to concentrate on your work to achieve your success. Is concentration God gifted or a skill to be developed? Or whatever that is, it needs regular practice. Even a diamond needs cutting and polishing to shine. As says, champions are not born, they are made by hard practice. Concentration exercise is not very hard exercise. This is kind of fun exercise. I will share one of the exercise I have created. Simple and most effective. Just touch your fingertips. Concentrate on your fingertips. And very soon you will feel your heartbeat on your fingertips. It's gonna take a little time. So I'll suggest you, when you start this exercise, start in a silent place, a room, a park, a water body, anything. Of course, nature help you to be yourself. So if you are around the nature, this is gonna be good. But once you listen your heartbeat on your fingertips, you can do this exercise anywhere. In your classroom, in your office, in train, in crowded market, noise, distractions, doesn't matter that. Is this concentration exercise work? Okay, let me share my experience. Alchemist, the most bestseller book of the world. I have finished this book within a 90 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes. And afterward, I discuss this book page to page. Even I have read this book once only, almost 20 years ago. But I can discuss this book with you now. Is that work only in study, reading books, or in our regular life? Okay, another incident. I have met a friend in a camp for a few minutes. We talk, spend some time together, and get apart, lost touch. After 9 years, he called me. I'm not talking this time when you have mobile phone, you have caller ID. I was talking about the time of early 90s. when even a landline phone is status symbol. So that time he called me after 9 years and said, "Hello, I am Tushar speaking." I recognized his voice and said, "Hello Tushar, how are you doing?" He got surprised. He asked, "Did you recognize me?" I said, "Of course, you are Tushar calling from Ghaziabad, no?" It was kind of miracle, you see, even for me. That incident was talk of my state, was talk of town for a long time. Thank you, Tushar. Thank you, Deepika, to help me recognize my talent, my skill. Thank you very much. Another exercise is a famous one. It's called Kinhin, the walking concentration and meditation exercise. Of course, if you do around the nature, this will be good. You can just walk around a tree or on a jogging track, concentrate on your breath, keep your hand in Shashu position. Shashu position is punch, verbed in the fist, and keep your punch, your Surya Chakra. This is the center of your rib cage, and just walk around. Remember one more important thing. When you walk, you look downward. Your eyesight should be fixed, say between 10 to 20 meter, according to your height, of course. And continue your walk. These both of concentration and meditation exercise really work wonder. Namaste. Thank you. Nice to talk to you.